Hello everyone, my name is Max. I come from Italy and this month I'm finishing my bachelor in political science and I live in Berlin since 1.5 years. Today I have prepared a brief and simple lesson about amplitude and let's start with the presentation I made on PowerPoint. It's pretty simple as I already said, so let's see it. Okay, so I'd like to start with a short introduction regarding sound. So sound is a series of vibration moving through the air, and everything that creates a vibration is called a source. Sound travels by compression or rarefaction, and we call compression the area where dense molecules are pushed together. So when we refer to the compression area, we refer to this area which is higher on pressure. Rarefaction, on the contrary, is the area where fewer molecules are pulled apart or expanded in the wave. So the rarefaction area is lower on pressure. I would ask you please not to take too serious these two pictures I put, which are just meant to give an idea about the two definitions we just talked about. So, when we talk about amplitude, we mean the objective measurement of the degree of change, which can be positive or negative, in the atmospheric pressure caused by sound waves. And an important thing related to this is that atmospheric pressure is given by the compression and the rarefaction of air molecules. So we saw before what compression and rarefaction are. Amplitude is associated with the height of a sound wave and is related to the volume. So sounds with greater amplitude will produce greater changes in atmospheric pressure, so from high to low pressure. In fact, louder sounds have higher amplitude and more quiet sounds have a lower amplitude. Amplitude is measured in decibels, and most people recognize about 3 decibels change in amplitude. But a trained ear can recognize even smaller amplitude changes. In a more technical language, the word volume is very often substituted with amplitude. Therefore, an increase in amplitude is usually expressed as a boost, and a decrease in amplitude is often referred to as a cut. So if someone says to us, cut the amplitude, it means lower the volume. Now we will see some common activities and their corresponding decibels. So 0 decibels is the situation near silence. The range between 40 and 50 decibels is the room ambience. 50 and 60 decibels, it's a whisper. 60 and 75 decibels, it's more or less the typical conversation. Between 80 and 85 we have the optimum level to monitor sound. This is according to the Fletcher-Munson curve. 90 decibels is the factory noise, and the regular exposition can cause hearing damage. Between 70 and 100 decibels is like hearing music with the headphones at home. 100 decibels is a baby crying. 120 is the threshold of pain that can cause hearing damage. 140 decibels is a snare drum played hard from about 1 second. And 150 to 160 is like a jet engine. So I finished my little lesson. And I hope that you didn't get too much bored about it. And I want to thank you for listening. and for watching. And yeah, so see you next week and take care. So, ciao.